and welcome to the first part of my web series on Toy Fair 2016. Yeah! Okay, so these are Bunchems. They're made by Spin Master. So what you can do is you can muddle them up, and then you can connect them up to make loads of different characters. You can make characters like this ladybird, or this bug, or this snail, and you can see here, it's got some parts. So you've got some legs, you've got some wings, you've got some antennas, and you've got some eyes. And they look like the ones you get in this set. So let's see how I got on at the Toy Fair. This looks very impressive. So Dara, how did you make this?
This is made with Bunchems.
Oh,
So they're tiny little balls with all these little hooks, and you just squish them together and they hold together. And then you can make all these amazing 3D creations from it.
That is very impressive.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So look at all the different things you can make. You can make animals, you can make rocket ships, you can make this guard behind you. You can make anything you like with them, or even bracelets.
I want a black and white.
Black and white one to go with your penguin.
No, yeah, black and white and yellow. So go. Join me again in a couple of days and we'll look at all these fancy Playmobil sets.